going to read the book Pet This Book by Jessica Young and Daniel Wiseman. Hello, friend. It's time to play. We are taking care of pets today. Come with me. I'll show you how. Turn the page. We'll start right now. Here's a cat who likes to nap. You can hold her on your lap. Pat her fur to make her purr. Purr, purr, purr. This parrot loves to chirp and squawk. Say hello to hear him talk. What's the word, little bird? Hello, hello, squawk! The puppy got all wet and muddy. Help me wash our little buddy. Scrub-a-dub in the tub. Ruff, ruff, ruff. What a helper! You are the best. Time to take a little rest. Count to 3 and stretch with me. 1, 2, 3. The sun is high, it's getting hotter. Thirsty pets drink lots of water. Tip the spout to pour some out. Slip, slip, slop. This hungry lizard needs her lunch. Give her something good to munch. Hold a treat for her to eat. Chomp, 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 chomp. Brush the horse's mane and tail, then take her riding on the trail. Giddy up! Whoa! Don't let go! Neigh, neigh, neigh. Give a caterpillar space to hide inside her silky case. Then wave goodbye and watch her fly, flutter, flutter, fly. Thanks for dropping by to play. We helped a lot of pets today. Pets need drinks and food to eat, a wash and brush, a little treat, a gentle touch, a kind hello, a friend to care and help them grow. To keep them safe or set them free, someone to love, like you and me. Can you make the sounds these pets are making? A cat says purr. A parrot says squawk. A dog says ruff, ruff. How does a lizard eat? Slurp, slurp. How does the butterfly fly? Flutter, flutter, fly. What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh. And what does the caterpillar do? Chomp, chomp, chomp. Are you sure that's the caterpillar? That's the lizard that says chomp, chomp. Alright, hope you enjoyed the story.